watching Otero Studios.
Live from Northland.
Alright, so today I'm going to be drawing Adam Cole, baby, from Undisputed Era and NXT. So sit back, relax, and let the magic flow through you.
Shock the system.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this awesome drawing time with me here doing Adam Cole, baby, from Undisputed Era. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you really enjoyed it, what part you really enjoyed, if you'd like to see more in-depth on some of the things that I do in order to get some of this realism. It's mostly just messing around with depth. If you saw in the beginning, I started off with just getting the shape down and then adding on, taking away, adding on, taking away. So if you want to know more, just let me know and I will definitely do another video showing, you know, the process. I love sharing my knowledge, and I love all you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it over 9,000. Take care.